If you've always wanted to grow food at home with your kids, the Click and Grow Smart Garden is a fantastic option for you. It's a child-friendly, accessible indoor garden which grows beautiful, healthy plants all year round. Miriam, you have a 5-year-old child and you know how challenging it can be sometimes to get children involved in eating healthier food. How has that helped you?
Yeah, well, you're totally right. Young kids are not very eager to try new foods. But what I learned with my daughter is that I had her setting up the Smart Garden 9 at our house, and she had full access to it, and she started trying out different edible greens by herself. Like, I didn't force her, and she really enjoyed it. Interesting was that, you know, some of the edible greens are very intensive by taste, arugula, for example. But once she had a chance to try out those different flavors by herself, she really started liking eating edible greens and green vegetables overall, which is very nice.
Yes, definitely. And let's take a closer look now at what we have here growing in this Smart Garden 9.
So we have several edible greens growing here at the moment, and they're all in different growing stages. So it means that we have always something to harvest. It's something is growing here and waiting to be harvested in the following weeks. So, for example, I would harvest this pak choi tonight for my family, and at the same time I would replace the plant pots and plant new edible greens that can start germinating and yielding in a couple of weeks. And here, on the meanwhile, I can harvest this green lettuce. I can harvest it the whole part at the same time, or I could just cut off the larger leaves. And well, if you can't be fully sustainable growing your own green vegetables, you can do it by being partially self-sustainable, and it's very easy to do, especially when you have kids at home.
Definitely, I totally agree. So there we have it, the Click and Grow Smart Garden, a very easy way to get children involved in growing delicious, nutrient-dense food. Check it out. Check out the Click and Grow mobile app as well, for lots of helpful tips and tricks. And happy growing!